Now this is a real treat. I'm barbecuing fresh tuna today with a lovely Portuguese-style marinade. I sliced the middle stalk out of some fresh bay leaves and finely chopped the leaves. I crushed some garlic with some sea salt and mixed it in. I added some red wine vinegar, olive oil and a good grind of black pepper and mixed it all together to a coarse paste. So I'm going to pour the marinade over the tuna steaks and give them a good turnabout so they're really evenly coated. And they can just sit there soaking up all the lovely flavours for about 30 minutes or so. In the meantime, I've got some onions softening here in some olive oil and butter to make a topping to go with them. Now they're in a pan that doesn't have a plastic handle, so it's really fine to use on the grill. A little bit longer, so I'm just going to shut the lid and let them do their thing. I'm serving the tuna with some barbecued spicy rice. So I've soaked some basmati rice in some cold water for about an hour and boiled a kettleful of water. Now the onions are nearly done, I'm going to put another heat-proof pan over a high heat. And into that I'm going to put a slug of oil and the drained rice. And then I'm going to add some garlic, a little bit of chilli, some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to pour over enough boiling water so it comes just a centimetre or so above the rice. Give it one last stir, put the lid on and let it boil for 1 minute. And then after that, turn the heat off and just let it steam quietly by itself. So the onions are beautifully soft now, so I'm going to add a really good glug of port and a grind of salt and pepper. Give them a good stir, turn the heat up a tiny bit, just let it reduce down so it's lovely and thick and glossy. So now it's time to cook the tuna. So I've got the grill bars really hot and it's just going to take a few minutes on each side. I'm just going to stir a bit of coriander through this lovely rice here. That's smelling really delicious now. So that goes onto warm plates with a tuna steak on top, just a generous dollop of our onion mixture over that. And there you have it, Portuguese-style fresh tuna steaks on barbecued spicy rice with boozy caramelised onions. What a treat.